In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert MSG file to Microsoft Word. If you've received an email saved as an MSG file and you want to work with its content in a Word document, this simple process will get you there quickly while preserving as much of the formatting as possible. Start by opening the MSG file in Microsoft Outlook. The easiest way to do that is to double-click the MSG file on your computer. This format is native to Outlook, so it should open right up as an email message. Once you see the message in Outlook, you're ready to create a file type that Word can read easily. Next, in Outlook, click File, then Save As. You'll be prompted to choose a format. Pick either text only, with the .txt extension, or HTML. Text only gives you a clean, plain text version that's great for straightforward content and long-term compatibility. HTML is a better choice if you want to preserve email formatting like bold text, colors, basic layout, and links. Choose a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and save it. Keep in mind that while the email body converts, attachments won't automatically become part of the Word document. They remain separate files. Now open Microsoft Word. With Word ready, go to File, then Open. Navigate to the folder where you saved your .txt or .html file. If you don't see it right away, adjust the file type filter so Word shows text or HTML files. Select the file and open it. Word will import the content and display it on the page. If you saved as HTML, you'll likely see more of the original formatting carried over. If you saved as text only, you'll get a clean, editable document that you can format however you like. Take a moment to scan the content and make any quick adjustments to spacing or headings if needed. Finally, save your work in the Word format. Click File, then Save As, and choose Word document with the .docx extension. Pick your location, confirm the file name, and save. This gives you a fully editable Word file that's easy to share, print, or include in larger documents. That's all there is to it. By opening the MSG in Outlook, saving as text or HTML, importing that file into Word, and then saving as a .docx, you've cleanly converted your email into a Word document. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move your email content into a format that's easier to use and edit.